What? Yeah, I hate cock. Oh, I swear to God.
That really makes me shy.
Yeah, I don't mean Melissa. You know.
I got no Melissa. Ain't got nits. Right, Jessica.
I got fucking. Oh! I ain't got nits. I damn yeah, so many fucking. Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Because you want to get rid of all them nits.
I've got. Oh my God. I died it. Oh, fuck off. I'll have this fucking pen at you in a minute. I swear to God.
Don't mess. God. Pen fight. Here's a pen.
Fuck off, knobjaw. Oh, get you. Oh.
Come on, Matthew, it's your turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they fucking later.
Yeah. Go upstairs then.
No, don't have to. My house.
I live in it as well, so it's not your house. Who pays for rent? Well,
I don't care. I
pays for
still live in the fucker.
Yeah, but it's not yours though, is it?
Wait. Oh.
What a fight.
Okay. Eh?
Hmm?
Shut up.
Hmm?
I don't think so.
I don't know.
Says I'm not got C's.
Who, you?
Yeah.
Bullshit.
Do you want to give me fucking thingamabobs out? That's
Yeah, get your fucking thingamabobs out then. Come on.
Shift.
Move,
Thingamabobs. I swear to God, I'm dead. Oh, wait, weird. Not.
You got seasoning Dougie class?
Have them in your face.
Missed.
I
Missed.
didn't know you ain't, did I? Picked some fruit.
Slap.
Oh! That is fine. Oh!
Oh!
You threw him?
Yeah.
No, you won't lie. We're close.
I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm
Not
winning.
really, because it's not a fucking competition.
I'm serious.